Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing good during this pandemic. So today we are going to make a fusion of a potato and tomato curry. The fusion is north and maybe from Maharashtra. In north it is called as Bhandare Wale Aloo. It is usually served in their langars or in their gurudwaras. And in Maharashtra it is served in weddings, or it's a normal delicacy in Maharashtrian cuisines. Again, we are going to make it in an instant pot. Let's go. So put the instant pot on saute mode more, and I'm going to wait for this 30 sign to turn into hot. Now you can see it has turned hot. Now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of oil in the inner pot. It went touching the rim immediately. That means the oil is really hot. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of jeera, cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, and I have just grated 1 inch of adrak or ginger, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. It's going to give a beautiful color to this curry or gravy. And I'm adding few curry leaves. Just stir a bit. All this while the saute mode is still on. Now I'm adding 1 medium sized tomato chopped, and I'm going to add some salt. So these tomatoes will be cooked quickly. This gravy will not have any onion or garlic, so you can use it anytime or for your puja, for the weddings. I'm just adding 1 slit green chili. You can adjust the green chilies and red chili powder consistency or quantity as per your family's taste buds. So I'm just going to wait for this tomato to cook, and I will come back. The tomatoes are cooking perfectly. It started to leave some oil also. I'm just going to keep a lid for a minute or so. And this is not the lid which came with the instant pot, or I didn't buy it from the instant pot. This is just the lid which I had it in the house. I'm just adding 1.5 teaspoons of haldi, turmeric, and you can see that the the tomatoes, they have started losing the oil really nicely. I'm just deglazing the pan before adding the potatoes. Just deglaze the pan, and now I'm adding 4 potatoes. I've just chopped them in cubes. They are like 4 small potatoes, and I just took the skin off of the potatoes, and I'm putting it in it. Now goes the cumin and coriander powder, and I'm also adding more salt. Just remember, we had added salt before. At this time you can add jaggery to our curry, but that's an optional ingredient. We like it, so I'm just adding a small piece of it, and I am adding 2 teaspoons of garam masala. You can also add Maharashtrian Goda masala, but the Goda masala will change the color of this gravy. Right, if you can see now, it's like nice reddish, little bit of brownish color. So it will change the color of it to dark brown. So I use the garam masala here, and I'm going to add just 1 cup of water. Again, you can just add or adjust the consistency according to your family's taste buds. At this time, if you like, you can add 2 tablespoons of crushed groundnuts or danesa koot. We don't like it, so I have not put it. Now I'm just putting the lid. After this music, I am putting this whistle on the sealing mode. Off goes the saute mode, manual mode to just 1 minute, and we will come back. So after almost 15 to 16 minutes, this pin has dropped down. So I'm just going to open the lid. So we waited for the natural release. Wow, do you see the beautiful color? The बटाट्याचा रस्सा, महाराष्ट्राचा बटाट्याचा रस्सा किंवा भंडारेवाले आलू मस्त तयार आहेत. It's ready and they have cooked perfectly, and the aroma is so good. After that, I'm going to just put some cilantro, stir, and I'm going to take it in a serving dish or serving kadhai. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? When we were kids, we used to go to ISKCON temple, and the curry was exactly the same. Beautiful looking, no onion, no garlic, but still yum. I really hope you all like this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment, subscribe to Kirti's Kitchen Katta, and take care of yourself. I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye.